In this video, I'll be showing you how to complete Echoes of Old Battles, the Lost Chapter quest in Where Winds Meet. Now for this, you will need to navigate to Battle Crest Slope, and then you can simply use your boundary stone to do that. Then you should be able to see the Lost Chapter quest. So go ahead and track it so that it's your current active quest. From here, you're then just going to go ahead and run up to the door or the gate of the ruins, and you should be able to see someone who is trying to peek in. So go ahead and talk to this NPC to start the quest.
Are you after the treasures of the Northern Vow as well? Keep it down. Don't alert anyone inside.
Northern Vow?
You don't know? Word around the Jianghu is, though the Northern Vow was defeated, their treasure was hidden away. Would you believe it? The Tiger Fort people actually captured a descendant of the
Why are you telling me these things?
Those Tiger Fort bullies think they can hoard the treasure, but I won't let them.
Then you'll receive a clue. Just close the clue and then go ahead and open up the gate. From here, you then need to go ahead and go carefully. You can collect a quiver, and what you want to do is simply aim your fiery arrow towards those barrels of gunpowder so that you can kill off these Tiger Fort bandits. Unless you want to fight them one-on-one, which you can also decide to do so. Then you can go ahead and go in, and you can see more bandits that you're going to have to fight. So go ahead and prepare to fight them. Then you need to make your way through the fort, killing off the bandits that are currently around. If you find any chests, I'll recommend you collect them. And if you find any quivers, I would also recommend you collect them, as you will need a lot of arrows for this.
Do you think?
If you find a door, ensure that you push it, as most of the time there are chests behind the doors and even clues that you can use as you go through the quest. And then as you navigate, ensure that you're making your way across towards the middle of the place or of the area. And again, you should keep finding more and more bandits. And as you reach the middle, you should be able to see a scene like this happening right in front of you. So go ahead and clear out these bandits that are right here.
Never get a single word from my lips.
And once you've successfully defeated these bandits, what you're going to do is go ahead and find this NPC that's currently kneeling down and try to talk to him.
Hey, are you all right?
Dad.
And then you're going to come up here and you're going to find this chest and you're going to go ahead and open this. Once you open this, you can see the second clue, and it's basically telling you which fires need to be lit. So go ahead and close the clue. And then start by lighting the one that's currently next to the chest. And then go ahead and start navigating to the other banners that need to be lit. If you want to view the clue, you can just go ahead and open the clue and find which other ones need to be lit. So let's start at the beginning. From here on the right hand side, next to the entrance where you came in, there should be a banner ready for you to turn on. So go ahead and navigate there. And you can see it's currently turned on. So you can go and continue following that trend of just finding banners that need to be turned on and turning them on. Ensure that if there are any banners that are currently turned on, they're the ones that are supposed to be turned on and not anything else. So this one is supposed to be turned on, so that's okay, we don't need to turn it off. Then we just need to go straight. And turn on this one. Once you've successfully turned on the correct banners, you should be able to see in the middle, at the center, the slab has been raised. So now all you need to do is just navigate to that slab. And then you're going to perform a mighty drop. So performing a mighty drop simply means jumping up and mighty drop, like so. This will then open a secret passage, and all you need to do is follow the stairs down as you go and explore the Northern Vow ruins. When you see signs saying investigate, go ahead and investigate to ensure that you collect any other clues that could be around you. Then continue moving forward. You should see a tunnel on the right hand side as a clue appears on your screen, ensuring that you know what you need to do. Then all you need to do is simply follow that tunnel like so, and then continue moving forward. Careful of the traps that are around. So to avoid them, you can simply go ahead and crouch, and then it should bring you to this room right here. Now for this room, you will need to solve a puzzle. And to solve this puzzle, you're going to need to use the clue that you just received. So go ahead and open up the clue. And it looks something like this. And if your general has not turned around yet, then you should see a prompt on your screen saying perform Yuan Oath pose. So all you need to do is simply confirm that prompt and the generals that you should turn around, and then you can now go ahead and continue solving the puzzle on the wall. So do the pose, and then you can now solve the puzzle on the wall. Now all you need to do to solve this puzzle is, so from here, you're going to start by going to the left side wall, and you're going to push back this stone. So go ahead and do so. And then from there, you're going to go to the top right hand side on the here. And what you're going to do is simply push back this stone. If you haven't already pushed it back, then I would suggest you do push it back in. So it should look something like that. And then from here, you're going to continue by pushing back this specific stone right here. And once you've done that, it should unlock the door. So go ahead and wait for it to be unlocked. And now you can go ahead and push the door. Then just continue moving forward as you navigate through the ruins. When you find a trip rope like this, you can just choose to jump over, or you can crouch down to avoid tripping the trap. And then you want to go ahead and collect that chest. Once you've collected that chest, you can now go ahead and continue going down. And from here, in order for you to be able to open that gate or that door, start by navigating round the back and select investigate to collect the last clue. And you want to go ahead and move behind the waterfall. So move behind the waterfall, this one right here. And you should be able to find a small cave. Now at the top of the cave, there is a chest, so you can just climb up to collect it. Then once you've collected it, you can make your way down. From here, you should see an option that says interact. So this will allow you to unlock the wheel so that it can now start moving. Once it starts moving, you should be able to now unlock the door. So go ahead and exit out of the waterfall. And then move towards the door. And unlock it, or push to open it. From here, you're then going to make your way up. And this should bring you to the Northern Vow treasury. So from here, go ahead and find any chests or any items that you wish to collect. As you make your way to the biggest chest at the very back. Once you've done that, open it, and you should be able to see this warrior's pledge. And by doing so, you've also unlocked the mystic skill, Touch of Death. So this simply allows you to assassinate your enemies whenever you're creeping up on them. And then from here, to continue even further forward, you need to read the inscription on the wall. So go ahead and select Examine Text. And then read through it. And then go back. And like that, you should have successfully completed the Echoes of Old Battles Lost Chapter quest. Then to get out, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open or return to this marker right here and select Leave the Secret Chamber. This will take you to the top, or this will remove you from the chamber. So now all you need to do is simply go ahead and go back to the center of the Northern Vow ruins. And you should be able to see our NPCs there. So from here, initiate the conversation. After they finish helping each other, and like that, you successfully completed this quest. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.